So, yo guys, I am Rohan and you are watching Mysterious Reality YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel, so please like, share, subscribe, and set your bell notification to all. So, in today's world, everyone wants to earn that much amount of money so they can fulfill his or her requirements, or he wants to secure his dreams, but everyone are not that much successful. But then also in our world there are some people who has done that much hard work, so they are now successful. So from that only we are talking about top 10 richest personality in the world. Means they have earned that much amount of money that you have not dreamed. Means think in your dreams. So without wasting your and mine time, let's get started. So at number 10, it is Larry Page, American computer scientist, internet interpreter, and co-founder of Google. Yes, guys, co-founder of Google. If he was not alive today, so our technology was compared to zero. Means it was compared to zero only, and his net worth is $69 billion. If we convert it into Indian currency, so it is rupees 5 lakh crores. So guys, at number 10th only, it is only means rupees 5 lakh crore. So what would be on means on at first place? What would be his net worth at first place? So now we go to our ninth personality in this list. So at ninth personality it's Steve Ballmer. He is an American businessman, investor, chief executive officer of Microsoft. His net worth is $71 billion. If we convert it into Indian currency, so it is rupees 5 lakh 15,000 crores. So now we go towards our 8th place. So at 8th place it is Larry Ellison. He is an American business magnate, investor, philanthropist, co-founder and executive chairman of Oracle Corporation. His net worth is $74 billion, and if we convert it into Indian rupee means currency, so it is rupees 5 lakh 55,000 crores. So now we go towards 7th place. So at 7th place it is Warren Buffett. He is an American investor, business tycoon, and philanthropist, chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. His net worth is $78 billion. If we convert it into Indian currency, so it is rupees 5 lakh 86,000 crores. So at 6th place, any guesses? So at 6th place it is, before saying his name, please pause the video and comment down. So if your guess was Mukesh Ambani, so you are 100% right. Yes, he is the largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Ltd. He is Indian billionaire and business magnate chairman. His net worth is $80 billion, and if we convert it into Indian currency, so it is 6 lakhs 10,000 crores. So if you have comment down Mukesh Ambani, so you are 100% right, and he is the top 1 personality, means top first richest person in India. So let's get towards top 5 richest person in our list. So at number 5 he is Elon Musk, working to revolutionize transportation on Earth through electric car maker Tesla, SpaceX. His net worth is $85 billion, and if we convert it into Indian currency, so it is 6 lakh 38,000 crores. So now we go towards at 4 means at top 4 personalities. So at top 4 personalities, he is an personality. If he was not alive today, so the world best social media app was not built. So if you have think about Mark Zuckerberg, so you are absolutely correct. So he is an American media magnate, internet interpreter, philanthropist, and co-founder of Facebook. His net worth is $96 billion, and if we convert it into Indian currency, so it is 7,21,000 crores. So now we go towards at our top 3 personalities. So at number 3, it is Bernard Arnault. He is a French billionaire, businessman, and art collector, chairman and chief executive of LVMH. His net worth is $111 billion. $111 billion. If we convert it into our Indian currency, so it is 8,33,000 crore rupees. Yes, guys, 111 billion. So now we talk about number 2 personality. So at number 2, he is a revolutionary man. If he was not born, so a revolutionary, he has done such a big revolution. And so guys, if you think about Bill Gates, so you are absolutely correct. He is an American businessman, magnate, software developer, investor, and philanthropist. He is a co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. His net worth is $113 billion, $113 billion. If we convert it into Indian currency, so it is 8,48,000 crore. So now we go towards our number 1 personality. So at number 1, he is Jeff Bezos. He is Jeff Bezos. He is the founder of Amazon. He is an American internet entrepreneur, industrialist, media proprietor, and investor. His net worth is $194 billion. If we convert it into Indian currency, so it is 14,57,000 crores. So here are top 10 richest personalities in the world. If you like the video, so please like, share, subscribe, and set your bell notification to all. So now bye bye, and I will be meeting you in our next video. So till then, bye bye.